Tired of typing passwords every time you log into Wise? Set up a passkey and log in with just your face or fingerprint. That is the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Passkeys are faster, they are more secure, and they completely get rid of the hassle of remembering yet another password or digging out your two-factor authentication code. In this guide, I will walk you through the exact steps to enable passkeys in your Wise account settings. So, let us jump right in. The whole process starts right from your Wise dashboard. First, look up at the top right corner of the page, and you will see your profile icon. It is usually a little circle with your initials or a picture. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a drop-down menu with all your account options. We are just getting started here, so this one is nice and quick. Now that the menu is open, you want to click on the option that says Security and Privacy. This is where Wise keeps all the important settings for protecting your account. I have gone through these menus quite a few times, and this is exactly where you need to be to make this change. Just click that option and it will load up a new page with all your security controls. Once you are on the Security and Privacy page, you will see a few different sections. The one we are looking for is called two-step verification. It might sound a little backwards since we are setting up a passkey, but trust me, this is the right place. Click on two-step verification to open up those settings. This page handles all the different ways you can add an extra layer of login security to your account. All right, here is where it gets interesting. Inside the two-step verification settings, you will see a tab or a section labeled Passkeys. Go ahead and click on that. Now, a passkey is essentially a digital key that lives on your device. Instead of typing a password and then grabbing your phone for a code, you just use your face, your fingerprint, or your device PIN. It is tied to the device you are using right now, which makes it incredibly secure and incredibly convenient. This is the feature you have been waiting for. So now that we are in the right spot, you should see a button that says Set up a passkey. This is the moment of truth. Click that button. Your computer or phone is going to pop up a prompt from your device itself. It might ask you to scan your fingerprint, look at your camera for facial recognition, or enter your device PIN. This is your device asking for permission to create that passkey. Just follow whatever prompt shows up on your screen. It takes just a second, and then you are done. And that is really it. Once you complete that prompt, your passkey is set up. The next time you log into Wise, you will see an option to use your passkey instead of your password. You just click it, authenticate with your face or finger, and you are straight in. No typing, no waiting for a text message, no hunting for an authenticator app. It is one of those upgrades that feels like magic the first time you use it. Give it a try on your next login.